Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to solve question on Laplace transformation, that is find Laplace transformation of sine raised to power 5t. So we start with the basic, that is e raised to power I theta is equal to cos theta plus I sine theta. Okay, so similarly we can write e raised to power minus I theta will be cos theta minus I sine theta. So if I want to find cos, so I have to add this equation like equation number 1 and 2. If I want sine, so I have to subtract this equation 1 minus 2. So here I want to find sine raised to power 5 theta, so I just subtract this equation. So right hand side will be 2i sine theta, and if we want to find sine theta only, so we have to divide with 2i, so this will be 2i e raised to power I theta minus e raised to power minus I theta divided by 2i, which is equal to sine theta. Okay, so sine raised to power 5 theta is equal to e raised to power I theta minus e raised to power minus I theta divided by 2i raised to 5. So first of all we solve sine raised to power 5 theta in n theta term, and then we will find Laplace transformation of that. So here we will write e raised to power I theta minus e raised to power minus I theta raised to power 5, and 1 upon 2i raised to power 5 we can separate this term. So this will be 1 upon 32i, because 2 raised to power I is 32 and I raised to power 5 will be I itself, and multiplied with e raised to power I theta minus e raised to power minus I theta raised to power 5. So if we want to solve this term, so first of all we find what is a minus b raised to power 5. So very easy method. What we have to do here, we have to write a in a decreasing term. You can see I am writing a in a decreasing term, like a raised to power 5, a raised to power 4, a raised to power 3, a square, a and a0. An increasing term of b, b0, b1, b2, b3, b4 and b raised to power 5. Okay, and if there is positive sign, so you have to write all positive. If there is a negative sign, so we have to write alternate positive negative. So negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. So what about constant? So constant we can find by using Pascal triangle. So let's see. So according to Pascal triangle, it would be 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1 means addition of this two. Then 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. And then again 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. So if I want to find power 5 bracket, so my constant will be 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. So here I can write 1, 5, 10, 10, 5 and 1. Okay, so a minus b raised to power 5 will be this. You no need to remember this formula. You can find all a raised to power 5, a raised to power 7 by this trick. So again 1 upon 32i e raised to power I t raised to power 5 minus e raised to power 4 I t e raised to power minus I t with 5 coefficient plus 10 e raised to power 3 I t e raised to power minus 2 I t plus, sorry, next point is negative 10 e raised to power 2it e raised to power minus 3it plus 5 e raised to power it e raised to power minus 4it minus e raised to power minus 5it. Okay, we write by using this formula a minus b raised to power 5. Okay, so now just solve this formula. So it will be 1 upon 32i e raised to power 5it minus 5 e raised to power 3it plus 10 e raised to power positive it minus 10 e raised to power minus it plus 5 e raised to power minus 3it minus e raised to power minus 5it. Okay, and you can see over here we have some positive value like e raised to power 5it, e raised to power minus 5it. Similarly, e raised to power 3it, e raised to power minus 3it, e raised to power it and e raised to power minus it. So we can put this value together. 5it minus 5it minus 5 common, e raised to power 3it minus e raised to power minus 3it plus 10 e raised to power it minus e raised to power minus it. Okay, then what is e raised to power 5t minus e raised to power minus 5it? So it is 2i sine 5t. Similarly, this is 2i sine 3t and this will be 2i sine t. So now the sine raised to power 5t will be 1 upon 16 because 2i common and it will be cancelled with 1 upon 32i sine 5t minus 5 sine 3t plus 10 sine t. Okay, so this is value of sine raised to power 5t. And now Laplace of this, so Laplace of sine raised to power 5t will be 1 upon 16 because it is constant term. So Laplace of sine raised to power 5t, which is equal to 1 upon 16 Laplace of sine 5t minus 5 Laplace of sine 3t plus 10 Laplace of sine t. And we know that Laplace transformation of sine at will be Laplace transformation of sine at by formula. It is a upon s square plus a square. So value of this will be 1 upon 16 if there is sine 5t, so it will be 5 upon s square plus 25 minus 5 3 upon sine 3t, so 3 upon s square plus 9 plus 10 multiplied with s square plus 1. So this will be our final answer. So you can see the whole question in one frame, that is what is Laplace transformation of sine 5t. So first of all we find by exponential formula, that is sine t will be e raised to power it minus e raised to power minus it divided by 2. Okay, so sine raised to power 5t will be 1 upon 32i e raised to power it minus e raised to power minus it raised to power 5. We open this bracket by formula a minus b raised to power 5 by using Pascal triangle, and then to find Laplace transformation we use standard formula of Laplace transformation and find the value. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like the video. So please like and subscribe the channel.